Hi, and welcome to an unboxing and quick start guide for our CONiX Testfleet Evaluation Kit. The kit gives you the possibility to test the basic functionalities of our CONiX Testfleet solution directly out of the box. So let's start with a view into the case. Our evaluation kit comes with a B+ gate box, a GPS antenna, an LTE antenna, a power supply to use the gate box in the office, an OBD2 connector, and a power supply for in-vehicle usage. Furthermore, we have a Wi-Fi router, a tablet, some more cables, a written quick start guide, and a manual. Pre-installed on the gate box is the Agent, our software component. And there is already a SIM card inside the gate box to grant mobile data connection. There are two ways to use our evaluation kit. The most common way is to use it in a vehicle. So let's figure out how you set up the system for this use case. The first step is to set up the gate box. Therefore, you have to mount the LTE antenna and the GPS antenna to the dedicated port. Then connect the Wi-Fi router to the gate box. Find a proper place in the vehicle where the gate box does not become a danger to driver or passengers. Place the GPS antenna where it can receive a proper GPS connection during the test drive. Plug in the OBD2 connector in the vehicle's OBD2 port and connect the according Ethernet cable with the gate box. Please make sure to plug in the blue Ethernet cable in the blue port of the gate box. Then turn on the gate box by flipping the white switch on the OBD2 towards the box. This simulates the terminal 15 signal when the engine is started. The next important part of the setup is the tablet. It comes pre-installed with our app and is already connected to the Wi-Fi. So simply turn on the tablet and you will already see live data from the system. Now you're ready to start your test drive and observe your system. When you're done with your test drive, turn off the vehicle's engine. Flip the switch on the OBD2 connector away from the gate box. To get the detailed information on your test drive now, log into the web front end and have a closer look at your drive.